Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Let the stream begin. Alright, what type of news do we have on the horizon for today? Let me see. Only got orange folder for Monday and Tuesday. We got red folder on Wednesday and red folder on Thursday. Jackson Hole Symposium, what is that? Oops. Oh, I put the wrong one. Pro. Chad, are we looking for longs today? Let's look for longs. Let's get that Monday momentum. Well, Bitcoin's still ripping. That's nice. Let's have another little alt season. I feel like we didn't have a bull run this time around. Nothing really shot up. There was nothing FOMO worthy. There was nothing euphoric. Chad, I think I'll be looking for longs. We have a crazy previous week low SMT with the S right here. And we're still technically respecting this 4-hour bullish for value gap. So I'm going to try to look for longs in this area. Yes, failed to take out previous week low. So we have a nice bullish SMT coming into Monday morning. Any unfilled gaps on the way up? Yeah, we're accumulating a shit ton of highs. Try to get some sort of long opportunity. Good morning. I was so tired last night. I was in bed at like 10:15. I think I just closed my phone and I passed out instantly. Slept like 8.5 hours. Bro, I just passed out right away. 9 hours.
Let's see if everybody booked pickleball for Wednesday already.
It's crazy how fast it goes.
Oh, no one yet. That's a first.
Bro, the courts beside my girlfriend's sister's house is like the good field. Like a real pickleball court. Bro, they legit have everything there in Mirabel. Huge running tracks for around the place. There's so many bicycle lanes. They have basketball, pickleball, tennis, hockey, badminton. They have legit everything and the good fields for it. Like the floors, like the blue floors for pickleball.
Yeah.
Insane.
The actual floors.
It's crazy. We don't have one court like that here. You should book Kennedy. Stop ruining our paddles and balls.
Oh, why is my computer so messed up? What the hell is going on?
I'm bullish for today. We're holding a 4-hour for value gap, and we have a nice previous week low SMT with ES. Whoa.
On your charts that are on stream, log into paper trading. You'll put up. You'll forward test my my setup. My new setup that I want to look into.
Wait, what? I don't understand.
On your chart that's on stream, instead of like never showing anything, log into paper trading.
Bro, watch how you talk, you fucking disgusting pig.
Log into paper trading.
Yeah, I understood. I heard you, but how are you talking, bro?
You're telling me what?
I asked you what? I didn't hear you because my phone fell on my keyboard.
Did you hear me now or no?
Yes, and I don't know how to do that. I have to do replay, right?
No, what? On the top right it says trade?
Yeah.
Click it, log into paper trading.
You know, I never did that. I never did paper trading. I see it.
I know if you're able to or you're having problems.
I'm gonna change the settings of it. Wait. I'll keep it 200 risk.
No, bro. You're on stream. It's paper trading. You can risk $1,000.
No, I don't want to change it because then I'm gonna get my trade on NQ1 and then I won't have it. Okay, I'll put it for
so
500.
just keep it 200 and just double or triple the position.
No, wait. I think it stays. Wait.
You're forward testing it anyways. Big deal.
It's fine. I never did paper trading forward during markets. I only did the replay mode. Yo, your comment was actually so unnecessary. It's insane.
Alright, we are at least still bearish. Came up above midnight and completely tanked.
Still, yeah, still.
Still bearish, yeah. It's been bearish for a long time.
Ah, bro, here we go. More stupid shit.
You said still.
No,
What's
Dad
wrong with...
wrote Futures for wrote still. Where's the other guy? I hear him. I don't see him. That's weird.
Why, he doesn't know it's me?
Bro, I don't know. You said dumb shit. He's saying dumb shit. I woke up in a good mood. I woke up early. I did my breakfast. You're joining me. Tell me go on this. You don't even fucking take trade anyways. The fuck is wrong with you guys?
No, I said instead. I didn't say not take trades. I said instead of not showing anything on your chart.
No, you said you don't show anything anyways.
What?
That's what you said. You don't show your trades anyways. That's what you said. I heard you, bro.
On
Don't
that
worry.
chart that's in front of you, they don't show.
It's okay. You could have worded it
That's
nicely.
correct.
He came and he wrote this.
They're not on the chart. So forward test my setup on the chart. Yes, that's good.
I will. Don't worry. When you see it, let me know. I don't know it. I wonder if we're gonna hold that 4 hour. I think that bullish SMT is gonna hold. I think it's just a manipulation down. Do you see that 4 hour bullish on the 4 hour on NQ?
Yeah, it's a daily. Massive daily for value gap.
Keep those SMTs at the lows. Push up higher.
My tailbone is in beyond pain.
What happened?
I don't know. No idea. Maybe the way I sit, maybe it's tight, I don't know. I'm doing stretches right now. Sitting down on my chair stretching.
That's funny, my tailbone is tight. Don't really got news today and tomorrow. We have orange folder only at 2 o'clock. Treasury SEC Besant. Tomorrow as well, we only got consumer confidence at 10, but it's orange. We only have red folder Wednesday at 8:30 and Friday at 10 o'clock. We got a lot of 10 o'clock actually on Friday. Fed Chairman Warsh speaks. Prelim benchmark payrolls revision. Revise UOM consumer. Revise UOM inflation. And then it says all day, which I don't know what this is. Jackson Hole Symposium. Do you know what that is?
No.
Jackson Hole Symposium. Economic Policy Symposium takes place from August 10 to 29 in Wyoming, hosted biannual by the Federal Reserve Bank of Kansas City. This year's conference focuses on the theme financial innovation. Implications for payments and policy. Ah, payments. I hope he throws in a little XRP in there. My cough seems to be better. I took a pump last night, and I coughed, and I got some mucus out this morning.
Real from the pump?
Yeah, I took a pump that I had that's old as shit, and even if the medication inside would work. But this morning, my first cough popped out mucus. Well, I'm telling you, I had shit stuck in my throat. It just kept itching like a fucking rat was trying to crawl out. I thought I had allergies. It just kept itching me.
I feel so bad for the dog. Mom and Megan are worse. She's just howling upstairs. She howled in the morning, woke me up at 6. Let her in my room. Now she's upstairs alone, just howling.
Yeah, I would bring her down. What's up, Bilal?
Can't bring her down. She pees and shits all over the floor. And it's carpet. I'm gonna sink into the carpet.
Bring one of those pee-pee pads.
Yeah, like she's gonna follow that.
Alright. Well, odds are that 4 hours is going to be inverted. I want to see if we still hold the SMT though between ES and NQ, that previous week low. Thing about shorts right now, I mean the overall market isn't doing too well either today. Shorts do look clean. I mean we are in a little bit of a downtrend. The issue is we have a huge bullish SMT with the previous week low, and we're still technically in a 4-hour bullish even though we're under it right now. We still didn't invert it yet. We got 20 minutes. We are rejecting out of a 4-hour bearish. I don't know yet. All I know is that we have a shit ton of buy side on the 15-minute. But we will see. Yeah, we got previously low SMT with ES as well, yeah. Even the previous week low.
Well, I saw some stretches on YouTube. I did them a bit and pain went down from an 8 to like a 3. I think it's the way I sleep and sitting all day.
Yeah, the sitting is horrible.
Yeah, still has a daily low and a weekly low to grab. Pretty much from the same day, but it's so weird how the day starts at like what, 6 p.m.
Mm-hmm.
So on the daily chart, you only get the day from starting from 6 p.m. You can have a low at 5 p.m. and then at 6 p.m. and there'll be 2 different days on the daily chart.
My neck is hurting. But I saw a guy on TikTok saying he's interviewing like trading LARPers or whatever, like fake people, and he asked the guy, how many days a week are the markets open? And the guy answered correctly, and he called him an idiot. What an idiot. The guy's like, well, it's open Monday through Friday, and it opens again on Sunday around 6, so that should be 6 days. And then he stopped the video there to act like he was wrong. The guy was right, and he posted it in his videos to laugh.
Well, like, people would probably write that he's actually right.
Yeah, in the comments people did. He's like, bro, technically the guy's right. It's true though. Technically, it's open 5 full days with an extra what? 6 to 12, another extra 6 hours. So what? 5 days and 6 hours. And then you want to remove those because they close from what? 4:30 to 6, 5:30 to 5 to 6. When do they fully close? It's at 4:30. 4? Like the new day opening gap is from what to what?
I think 4:30, yeah. And then it opens back up at 6.
Where the guy was actually right and he posted him in the video to laugh. That's funny. Don't forget, keep an eye out on your setup that you wanted me to forward test, huh?
Yeah, that's all I'm doing. I'm looking. You'll see it's sort of like the same concept
Do you implement
of my other
discounts and
trades. Like,
premiums?
so you're gonna see as long as you do with discount premiums, and you'll see it's literally 2 for 2 or 1 for 2. And you're gonna see it when it forms like a high that's pretty close. That's the only thing you have to judge on, is the high close or not. Is it worth taking? Is it close to the other high? And it has to form a new high or a new swing low, depending on if you're going long or short, within, I would say, 4 candles. I'll show you. We'll get today for sure. There's not a day I went through that I didn't have one. Maybe only one day, so we'll get one. Probably get 1, 2, or 3 today.
I have a busy day today. Trading gym, back to trading. And I gotta cook. I gotta go to Carrefour, look for a dress shirt for the wedding.
Why? When's the wedding?
This Saturday.
Oh shit.
It's crazy.
Obviously,
I told you this twice already.
Nice food. Get some nice food, some alcohol. Come on.
You'll take 945 short. Yes, just took out previous day low and previous week low. That's a crazy short. Tesla down almost 3%.
Oh yeah. Quite a bit. Yeah, Nasdaq's down 1% already. Tesla 3%.
I got 1.4 already on the Nasdaq. That's a lot, 1.4.
Oh, yeah, what I'm looking at is the Nasdaq composite. I don't even know what that means, to be honest. I see 1%, but it starts at 930. Oh, so many different things. ETF, indexes, composites, whatever that means. This guy, never anything good enough.
No, I'm just saying, bro.
No camera, you're not mumbling, you're telling me what to do.
No, you're mistaken. I didn't tell you what to do. And I didn't tell you not to tell me what to do. I said the way you said it was disgusting.
The way you said it, no good.
Oh my god, I think they just implemented something on Tradeovit I've never seen before. Add a take profit and stop loss. Strategy 1 and dollar value? No way.
Oh, I see that.
They finally added it on Tradeovit. No way. And even something else. TIF, end of day, good till cancelled. Trade until filled, end of day, good till cancel. No way.
You're on that.
Wow, they actually added it. Insane.
I'm gonna try it.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
I'm actually gonna try it. It's actually pretty cool. I'll see on my next trade how it works. I implemented my TP and stop loss. It's called the just strategy 1. You gotta click on it and then it shows up. We'll see if it works. Or how it works. I hope it doesn't screw up.
Mm.
Yeah, I hope we get a couple of the new setup you're gonna just to train your eye a bit. But are you backtesting something too, or you want to backtest this one that I'm doing?
No, I was gonna do what you're doing. I don't have anything to backtest anymore. Unless I try to come up with other ideas. Like, that's how I found my first two setups, just pure, just...
Okay, so we can backtest tonight together the rest of the month. That I have to do.
Yeah, when I get back. Actually, I have a big day tomorrow, today, tomorrow.
Wait, when you get back, where are you going today?
I told you, trading, gym, trading, and then I gotta cook supper, and then I'm going to Carrefour to look for a dress shirt.
It's true, Carrefour. I'll probably do it around 8 o'clock till 10.
Bro, it sucks because of my big upper body. I have to take a large, but sometimes even the large, like at Zara and stuff like that, don't fit my arms. But if
Yeah,
I
I know.
take the extra large, my belly is huge. Goddamn made for people with bones, no meat on the arms. It's crazy. I bought that white dress shirt last year. When I bought it, it wasn't even super tight on me. I bought it extra loose because I knew I was gonna build muscle. And now I can't even close it.
Yeah, I don't remember it being that tight on you.
No, it's bad. Get ready for shorts. I don't know about shorts. We're already down like 1.4% on the day.
Oh yeah, this is a bearish candle too.
Yeah, which makes more sense. The trend is your friend. I don't know, Bilal. There's no one here yet. I've been abandoned.
You think NQ is gonna go to the next low at 28,831? Push down even lower?
I don't know where that low is. I'm going to look.
I don't really. It's pretty bearish.
Talking the low about at 832.
Yeah.
It looks like we're gonna go there. We'll probably get a reaction out of that zone as well. We do have SMT at the low right here. Everyone's so careful on Mondays. It's like everybody's so cautious to take a trade. All right, here we go. What do we have here?
Yes, as a 5 minute, it's gonna come into a bit higher. We could eventually pop up too because ES looks like it accumulated above the daily and weekly high, manipulated into them. We could potentially push up higher. But my God, in the hourly, are we bearish? And for NQ, that's a pretty deep manipulation.
Yeah.
ES just tapped into the new day opening gap. Oh no, that's Friday's new day opening gap. We're below 9:30, we're below midnight open. We manipulated lower. So the goal would be to catch a reversion long. Just need to catch the correct reversion.
There you go, Bilal. You got someone to dance with. Did you give yourself a rule of how many candles you need to wait for the next failure swing low? I heard you say like 4 before, but 4 is pretty tight, no?
It's about 4, yeah. You'll see, we'll probably do some tweaks, but it's pretty much the same thing, like same thing as the other one. You'll see. But yeah, it's pretty much 4. I don't think I've ever passed 4. Because then it won't be like a really close by another swing, you know? Like, let's say these two right here, the two swing highs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 candles. You'll see as we go, I'll point them out. Should get a couple today. S&T at the lows.
Little S&T at the high as well. Not anymore.
What do you think? We're going up or down?
I think we're going up.
10 o'clock candle here.
Like, I don't mind getting another internal SMT, but
Can you take that internal low? No.
no, I didn't make you close.
Oh, we took it. ES is showing strength. It just tapped into the 5. Yeah, the ES just tapped into the 5-minute also. And the 15.
It's crazy. Every time NQ has some strength to push up, ES is like hesitant. Good morning, Petra.
And it's like sort of what I was talking about. You see, I have a swing high at 9:59, and your next swing high is at 10:01.
Yeah. Oh shit.
That's a green candle.
Yeah.
This one's a black. So one more black would mean short, but he would be too big here. Imagine you get another black candle. It's huge.
Yeah, at the low as well. Forget it.
Oh, it doesn't matter where it is, to be honest. After
Remember,
sweeping
you're saying it
low
wouldn't
in a
make
row.
sense if it was too big. Like, for example, if you get another big black candle now, it wouldn't make
Yeah.
sense. You're right. It'd be almost 100 points, you know?
Yeah. I look at the chart. I try to avoid the ones that are huge. The ones that look like that they don't even make sense. They're like really big. You need a full like 50, 60, 70 points for 1-to-1. I avoid. Is it an indecisive candle or oh, no, it's a green.
No, it's green, but I have a question. What's the rule on the second candle? Like, if it's like it just has to finish black?
Yeah. As long as the two candles are black and they close below the body, you're good.
Okay.
Yes, rejected pretty hard of that 5 and 15 minute fair value gap. We continue going short. We'll see what we start to get.
Yeah, it did. It happened in a rejection right out of it. We can even enter the 15-minute one.
Tapped the 5 minute on NQ also, but left the 15 minute unfilled. Longs would be the most ideal, especially the fact that you're below 9:30 at midnight.
I agree.
That's the common rule. When you're below 9:30 and you're below midnight and 9:30 manipulates lower, you should be looking for longs. We'll see though. The 932, the 932, the 832 level, the daily low is still very attractive. We could potentially start to head for that if ES starts to drag down. Even if we come down though until the 832, we could still potentially look for a reversion back up. Not all the way back up, but for some internal highs. We'll see what we do around this level.
Did I hear correctly? There's like a new Batman coming out, and I don't know what year.
I'm not sure. I didn't hear of another Batman coming out. I didn't see anything.
Oh my god, February 18, 2028.
There's a new Batman coming out, yeah, in 3 years.
In 30 years. Bro, I have time to turn 30. Bro, how does it take so long? I'm so confused. Didn't the last Batman come out in like 2020?
I don't know.
How does shit take so long?
I'm pretty sure the old Batman did good too, so it's like bro, you saw Brand New Day, how much money it made? I think it's in there's only 10 movies that reached over $1 billion, and I think that's one of them. With like the 2 avatars, Endgame, Infinity War.
Yeah, it reached 2.22 billion.
Oh, the first Iron Man did so good. I think Robert Downey Jr. got paid $5 million to do it.
Mm.
And then the
Iron
first
Man
one
was
did so
great.
good. For the second Iron Man, they paid him $50 million, 10x his salary.
Yeah, Iron Man was insane the first one when it came out.
Yeah, everybody liked it. Whoa, Iron Man.
That's crazy. Avatar 2009, 2.9 billion. Nothing reached a 3 billion yet. It's gonna reach it one day though, Avatar. It's slowly probably climbing up. Avengers Endgame 2.799. Avatar, the other Avatar of 2022, 2.3 billion. Nisa, I have no idea. Titanic 2.2. Spider-Man Brand New Day 2.0161 today. The Star Wars Episode 7, I don't know what, over 2 billion. Infinity War over 2 billion. Spider-Man No Way Home made 1.92 billion. That's crazy.
Wait, No Way Home? You mean Brand New Day?
No, Brand New Day. It's at 2.2 billion right now. No Way
Oh,
Home is
No
at
Way Home. Yeah, No Way Home
1.9.
was one of them that made a billion too. Yeah.
And you have Zootopia at number 10. Zootopia 2, 1.866 billion.
Crazy how most of the
Yo.
billion movies I think are superhero movies.
Yeah,
There's
besides
the Titanic
Avatar,
too.
Titanic, it's like superhero. You have like 4 superhero movies in the top 10.
More. You have an Endgame. You have
Let me
Infinity
check, let me
War.
check, let me check.
You have Brand New Day. You have No Way
Endgame,
Home.
you have Endgame, you got Brand New
Yeah.
Day, you got Infinity
Yeah.
War, and No Way Home. You got 4.
4. Yeah. 4 out of 10. 40%.
It's a big number.
And most likely the new Avengers coming out will reach it too.
Yeah, and they could say thank you to Spider-Man because Spider-Man was so good. Everybody wants to re-go watch another good movie.
Yeah, true. A good point too.
Like after Endgame, the 3-4 movies that came out were like ass after nobody wanted to go watch anything anymore. Ah, that one was ass? Okay, I'm not gonna watch this one. It'll probably be ass too. Spider-Man is bringing it back. Well, where are we going?
Anyways, another black candle here. Yeah, you can pull it. Move your stop at 0.5 because we want to see follow through and go for a 1-to-1. Highs are relatively close. Yeah, close enough, I would say. As long as this is a black candle.
On paper trading.
Yeah.
Chat, this is just a forward test. Move your stop at 0.5 and that's it.
We'll see how many we get today and if they work, if they don't work. Do some back testing too.
I don't have that much data, so the trade could be a whole flop, but the first month that I was looking at did pretty well.
Bro, what is it doing?
Okay, well that one's a loss.
Wait, I didn't even click confirm.
Well, make sure you're on paper trading too, huh?
It would be because if not, I just blew all my accounts.
Well, I don't think you would log on to your other account, but make sure you're on paper trading.
It says paper.
Yeah, then you're good. Okay, that's the first L.
We should get another 2-3 trades today at least.
See at the end of the day the performance.
I'm so dumb. I put 500 risk. Like an idiot, I saw his points 0.3 and I put 3. Let me increase the risk because if not, it won't make sense. I'll just put it to 1.5.
What do you mean?
What do I mean? Well, I mean the short here was.
Keep your risk normal for your other accounts.
What do you mean?
Don't change the drawing or whatever. Don't change the settings in your tool.
What do you mean?
Don't change the settings in your tool. The tool that you measure how much to risk. Don't change anything. Leave it for your actual trades. This you're just forward testing. You could take 1 con, 5 cons, 10 cons. Doesn't matter.
Ah, okay, so then I'll put back my 200 risk. That's what it's normally on.
Yeah, leave it at 200, and you're just forward testing this new setup. So you can take 1, 2, 3, 4 minis. What does it matter?
Yeah, just want to make
You're
sure
not
it's on 200.
We're just forward testing it anyways.
Good morning,
Bilal,
Sultan.
Bilal, we're looking at a new setup. We're just forward testing something at during the day. We're forward testing a setup, but when it's our actual real setups, we're gonna tell you beforehand. The short that we tried was we're looking at a new setup. We're just forward testing it to collect data during the day. We're back testing it, but we also want to forward test it to collect some data.
Well said, boss.
But we'll tell you when we take our actual setups.
Yeah, look, you'll see here. Do you even see on stream? Ah, it's because you don't see on stream. It says paper trading on the bottom left. I cut it out. But yeah, this one is just where, like David said, we're forward testing. I'm collecting data. My real trades, you'll see them on MNQ. Collecting data.
But yeah, when we take our actual setups, we'll tell you beforehand. I'll tell you if it's a setup to avoid because we're just forward testing or an actual setup that we're taking. By the way, right now, yeah, NQ is just consolidating. Yeah, everybody has different setups. There's hundreds of different setups out there that can make you money on prop firms. So you have to manage your risk properly.
You trade ICT, Bilal? I C and the T. David, what if the green candle makes a swing low? Like you get 2 black, but the green forms a swing low. Forgot to ask you that.
What do you mean? Like this
Like
here?
for example, right here at 1018, and there's a green candle, and how about the next green closes above the body at 1016? The green would be the swing low.
This green right here is the swing low, right?
Yeah, right.
Okay, yeah, that's fine.
What's fine?
You just asked if it's a swing low. I said, yeah, it's fine. No,
That's
don't
not what
worry
I
about
asked.
it.
I
It's
said if the
okay.
green is a swing low and the next candle is a green that closed above 1016, would you be considering that long for the new
Is
setup?
it green that close above?
Because it would be 2 black, 2 green.
No, the lows wouldn't be that. Their lows are not really close to each other.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles. Ah, really?
Okay, no good. Here, for example, if it's black, you have another one. The high, there's a high at 1016, there's a high at 1019, 3 minutes apart. And they're relatively close. This, no, I wouldn't take. Even if it becomes black.
I'm gonna travel, but not right now. A couple months. Goddamn Mondays, they just fly without you, huh? Price action, when it wants to go somewhere, it just shoots and doesn't give you the right. See ya.
Well, we're not really going anywhere yet.
But we have a huge 15-minute bearish gap above us. Humongous. What's up, Cam? Haha, I remembered the name.
If NQ wants to go lower, it'll probably tap the 15-minute and start to head lower. But overall, we are discounting. Yet again, we're below 930 and midnight. And 930 manipulated lower, so long as they're just more favorable.
I don't think it's going to consolidate for the rest of the entire day. What did Asia do? We only took out Asia sell side. We had a move down, a little bit of a consolidation, another move down. We can get a nice retrace back up. And I'll be honest, this year most Mondays have been pretty decent. Yeah, Bilal, markets open on Sunday. 6 p.m. markets open. Powell's 10 a.m. Bro, what's up with the wicks always at the 10 o'clock? Yeah, the markets do open. There's actually some pretty decent volatility when they open on Sunday PM. Wow, they both tapped 10 o'clock and rejected. It's a mistake that they open it, or it's a mistake that you traded too aggressive. Never done Sunday night yet. What did we do once we opened? We had a decent new day opening gap. Yeah, there was some decent price action on Asia.
Well, we're still consolidating. Well, I hope it's not one of those mornings where NQ has another 2 hours of straight sideways movement. It's August price action. August has been pretty slow. Pretty slow. Very slow, actually. I'll rephrase that one.
It's August's fault, huh? I'm in Montreal, Canada. Montreal.
You still hear me, right?
Yeah, I hear you. You and Bilal are from Morocco? Abyssinia. I've never heard that in my entire life. What is that? Let's go Google it. Bro, why did it give me a cat breed? East Africa? Part of Ethiopia? Ethiopia. Yeah, Ethiopia. Okay, cool. Is there a huge time zone difference for you over there compared to us? Well, it's because the name that you
Yes.
gave my keyboard put by accident an extra. What'd you say, David?
Yes, finally getting some movement.
Yeah.
We'll see if NQ gets to push up.
It put an extra N at the end, and apparently it was a cat breed. My bad.
Up into the 15 and the 30.
Look, it gave me this.
We'll see if we start to get some bullish price action.
Pretty cool how you guys are such. Everyone in chat is like so separated on the globe. We legit have people from like every corner of the world. Well, there you go. You learned one thing, I learned one. You learned the cat, and I learned where you're from, and what it looks like over there. All right, well we got movement.
Yeah, we finally broke out of the consolidation. The NQ might close this 1 minute for value gap here in this leg.
No, I didn't take anything yet, Sanu. I'm forward testing on paper trading one setup, which started off with a loser today. But this is just forward testing a new setup that me and David are looking at. But for today on my funded accounts is nothing I touched yet.
Yeah, same for me.
Still waiting
We're
patiently.
always going to let you know before we take a setup on our accounts, our actual setups. August has just been a bit slow. Price action isn't the best. A lot of consolidation. Most ICT traders are
For today, I'm bullish. We're in a huge discount.
taking
We're
it
still under
easy.
930, 830. We're under midnight.
Yeah, you're under midnight. You're under 930 and 930 manipulated lower, which means that longs would be more favorable.
But it
Go
doesn't
back up
mean that
towards
if you get
930.
your own setup bearish, not to avoid it. That's a mistake I did in the beginning, and every time I had my setup short where somebody on YouTube said not to take any shorts and I avoided my setups and they worked, I was pissed. But yeah, longs should be favored. There's not a lot of pictures of Abyssinia. It keeps showing me map pictures. And a little bit of food, that's it. It's not giving me much at all. There you go, now you get more pictures when you write that. Now you get some water, land, food, a mixture of cultures.
Yeah, most of the time August doesn't have the best price action. It's pretty slow. There's not much follow through. Your patience is tested.
So you're the last one standing, the only country. I'm still standing after all this time. That's a song you should be singing. Chat, does my camera move when I move my desk a bit? You see it shaking. Yeah, it's too bad YouTube doesn't let you put whatever you want.
You're talking about what, music?
Yeah, you don't got much options.
Yeah, that's what sucks.
I was the biggest idiot, and I'm like, well, what if you throw it into AI? But even that's horrible. You get you get as much infringements as the real deal. So this would technically be a long, Dave, if it finishes green for the
Yes,
forward
correct.
testing part.
Correct, yeah. So this, nobody in chat take this trade. We're forward testing a setup. It's not one of our main setups. However it closes, doesn't matter as long as it's green here. This is for entertainment purposes only.
This is actually for entertainment purposes only. Poop.
Taking it in a mitigation block. But whatever, it doesn't matter. Take them all. I don't want to have any bias in it. I just want to take them all.
Yeah, just to let you know, Bilal, because you might not be, but somebody listening might be not paying attention. Better to be safe than sorry.
Two in a row. All right, that's two. See if we make a comeback. I want to collect at least like 12 months of data.
I'll be right back. Okay, give me 30 seconds. Talk to chat.
Anybody take a trade yet today? It's been 30 seconds.
I heard you. A lot of people hate Mondays, man. I think it's the most hated session. Higher prices still do make sense a little bit more than lower prices. What do we have on the higher time frames? Anything we're respecting?
15 or 30. We're gonna form an hour for value gap in 10 minutes.
Got some lows, got some highs. If we can keep the internal equal highs there and come back down and sweep the equal lows for coming back up, it would be nice too. Yes, it's pushing up again slowly. I'm telling you, every time yes pushes up and Q has a little bit of a hard time, and it slowly reverts. It's cold. I'm cold. Are you going, Jim? I'm gonna go too. Yeah, 11:50 even. crazy. I don't even hear people come in the house. Somebody could just come and do what they gotta do, and I won't even know. All they gotta do is stay quiet. Alright, well, another internal sweep for ES. Wow, Guadalupe looks very nice too.
Guadalupe.
Well, honestly, in times like this, it must be so fun to be one of those like hyper scalpers that they're constantly in the game firing and clicking buttons. But for them, it's actually like a video game. Ciao, Bilal. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Yeah, yes, it's just been chilling around Thursday's New Day opening gap. Fridays, actually, sorry. Above it, below it, above it, below it. We're just chilling around it.
Well, Mondays haven't been super fun. Hey, where did that? Oh, there it is.
Yeah, August has been slow as a whole. But every August I find is very slow.
Good morning, Kathleen. Yeah, I found a lot of months are like that though. July be lie.
Well, price is pretty slow this morning. One down move, consolidation. One little up move, consolidation. Yo, do you want to play some pickleball tonight?
I don't know. To be honest, no idea.
I mean, I have a court rented.
See as the day goes. I also have to go to Carrefour, like I said, and come back. Depends what time I eat. Low key doesn't look too good for tonight. But we still have so many highs to go grab now.
Anyways, let me know. I'm low-key down. Justin's down. I think Nick's down. We're coming up to the end of the summer. During the winter, we don't even play either, so I want to take advantage a bit, you know? You know.
Alright, 50% of previous range. It's so funny how we like to tap 50% of previous cycles so many times. Came up, we consolidated at 50% of the range between 9:30 and 10 o'clock. We came right back into it, 50%. 30-minute cycle finish, we come back, 50%. I just thought of such a great idea. The firms, what they should have is, like, you know, when you go buy accounts, you should also able to like gift accounts. Gift to a friend.
That's actually a good idea.
Like in Apex, you could do that too. Well, Apex, not the firm, but the game. You can like gift the battle pass. That'd be so funny. It's your boy's birthday and you gift him like 550k, no activation fee account.
August price action has been a mess. Really, everyone I know is either like not finding trades or just avoiding August AM completely.
It's okay if AM is ass, we'll have a great opportunity probably in the PM. Maybe it's time for PM to start kicking its way back in the door. Hey, did you see Larry Wheels tore his bicep?
Yeah, I watched it live.
Bro,
I
Vitaly
was, bro,
was
bro.
gonna get killed.
I was scrolling on TikTok and I landed on a live that was just streaming the fight randomly. I'm like, oh wait, it's live. I'm watching it. I see Larry Wheels. He's beating Vitaly.
Bro, Vitaly was gonna die in there. He was getting hit. His whole
He's
body
kicking
was
his ass.
shaking.
And then I'm like, bro, I look at his arm and I'm telling myself, I'm like, bro, did he just tear his bicep? The bicep didn't look right. And then I hear him say, I tore my bicep. I go, oh my god. It's
You know, a
easy to
couple
tell
months
though when
ago
you
he
tear your
broke the
bicep.
other one.
Oh, I thought it was the same one.
No, a couple months ago he ripped his other one, and he took
Yeah, I saw
yeah,
a stack of like peptides or something.
yeah, to fix it instead of surgery, and now a couple months later he ruptured the other one.
That's wild.
Bro, how do you rupture your bicep while punching? The guy was able to curl like 200-300 pounds, and now he's punching and rupturing his bicep while punching. I'm telling you, as you age, bro, those ligaments become so out of they become so old and rusty. You realize all these bodybuilders, once they hit like 35, 40, 45, they're doing bench press weight, what they're always used to, and they just keep tearing their pecs. One by one, they're tearing pecs. That is so scary. Imagine tearing a pec and then going back to do bench press a couple months later because your doctor said it was fine. How scared you'd be. No? Okay. Hey, you conversation king.
Bro, I don't answer you once and you freak out. Relax, I'm here.
Where you dip mid-convo.
I'm here. I'm here. Whoa, just burped.
Just close above the Fervai gap, I'm gonna go long. Taka 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 taka.
You need a hero. Yeah, I don't think that closed.
No. That did not close. You know what it means? It means it just wanted to close below and then rip.
I don't think that's what it means.
Is that close enough for your second green?
Yeah. Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's legit 4. So funny.
Low key, yes.
Is it green? Let
And
me
then you
know.
just have to, yeah, it's green. And then you just have to hope that it doesn't form two blacks here. But yeah. But yeah. And then if it forms two blacks, you have one short. It's a forward test trade. Nobody take this. We're forward testing a new setup. You have to move your stop break even. I saw it hit 540 or something.
Yeah, it took out the internal high anyways.
This is just a forward test. Whoa, candle, chandelier. Oh my, rejection. Break even. What a reversed candle. Oh, it went up so fast and then just shot down.
Okay, what do we have here? No, 1106.
Well, that candle actually went poof.
Bro, it's crazy that when you have like a high in a fair value gap and then another high internal and one sweeps inside the fair value gap, a lot of the time those SMTs hold. Anyways, it wasn't a trade for me because the candle made equal highs on ES, so there's nothing there. And now again at the lows, there's nothing because the lows are not at the same time. Missing out on a lot of trades because nothing is in sync.
It's August price action.
All good, all good. We stay patient. What's going on with Chris Hemsworth? Isn't it him who had like one of those like Alzheimer things? He was trying to work
Yeah,
out and do
it's in the
everything he could
family.
to. Okay.
It's in his family genes, I think he said.
That's rough. So many tabs, bro. I need another monitor. I keep saying it. It's crazy. Everyone is using the car now. Again, we're forming more highs, bro. NQ has so many highs to go grab.
Oh, we're coming up to the end of the session.
Still got time, like 40 minutes. It's long. It's an extra 40 candles. Yes, about to take out the 10 to 1030 low.
Yeah, this is much cleaner today. And still it's not clean. The only clean move was this move down.
And Q holding its ground though. It's still pretty high compared to ES. And a humongous bullish SMT. Look at that, Scoob.
What's the Scooby-Doo? We're coming after you.
Chat, anybody had fun in Monday's AM price action? Anybody dancing because they're up? Anybody crying because they're down? There's also the break-even option. I don't know what verb goes with that one.
Anybody waiting to be sad or happy?
Anybody waiting to be sad or happy? Anybody else's mood is determined by the trade they take? So funny. Salutations, fine shit. That's actually like you're coming from a different planet.
This is a black candle below the body. You have another one. Unless this weight takes the high here. Hold on. No, okay, never mind.
Will you go someplace? Take me away. Goddamn price action. It's not horrible though. We've seen a lot worse. But we have some highs to go grab on from the 10:30 to 11 cycle over here. Whee. Alright, well, we got that 1 hour bearish for value gap above us. I believe the 4 hour we completely filled in. Oh, no, we're almost there. We do have an internal low down here at 833. I don't know, man. Longs are yelling at me. Especially for these highs up here. These highs are very clean to go grab. Wow. Chat, for anybody new, like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you guys see when we go live this afternoon as well for the PM session. Where we're co-hosted by Big Dave. I know you're laughing.
You know I'm laughing.
Got Big Dave on the mic. Ewa, ewa. Turn around every now and then, get a little bit away.
I would love for us to go up. I don't want us to just chill here and start to head lower. I'd like to see 930 again.
Turn around. Ah, bro, how come I didn't hit TP? That trade actually hit 1-to-1 though.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, look at NQ1. I just realized. I just didn't draw it out correctly.
Maybe the fill. I don't know. Where was it anyways? Oh, it was here. Let me see.
What, did it not fill me by like a point? What
Oh,
was
yeah.
my take profit at?
Yeah, it did hit 1-to-1.
Bro,
Alright, so we
where
got
was
two
my
losers,
take
one winner.
profit? Anyways, yeah, who cares? Yeah, keep it at that for the forward testing results. Chat, whatever you see here, this is just forward testing. We're trying out a new strategy. I don't know where's my take profit. I don't know how we ended up hitting like break even, but this should have been a winner over here. But we're just forward testing something. A new strat.
Put your hand in my hand in my paw. Boom, boom, boom.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Look at the alien. It flew right by the alien. Even the alien couldn't catch up to it. I come in peace.
Oh, we had another one too. I didn't see.
Look out, it's Paul. Where?
At 11:24.
11:24?
That
Ah,
hit point
well,
five
what
up.
about 11:17?
It
Oh
would have
no,
been
it's
break
not there.
even. Either way, the one at 11:24 is break even. It hit 0.5 before coming back.
No way.
Put your hand in my hand.
Oh, I hit 0.55.
You got one here too. The one at 11:29 is one. Wait, is it? You have... Yeah, you have a low. Oh, wait. No, I don't think that one is one. I don't think I counted where you have 2 black and you only sweep 1 black. So no, I don't think that one is one. I don't believe so. Let me check some of my pictures. I don't think so though. Yeah, no. That's not one.
Sweaty boss, I was on the phone.
How has the weather been so bad here lately?
I don't know. Completely bipolar. Well, what is it now? I can't see. Looks to be nice here.
Yeah, but I think later there's rain. It's the crappy part.
No, you're right. I think I checked yesterday. There was supposed to be rain. Yesterday. I got rain starting from 10. Tuesday we got some rain in the morning, and tomorrow night will be fine.
Your hand in my hand and
So funny. Every year I get that meme at least one time where they're at like that concert festival and there's like that slippery slope.
Yeah.
People just crush themselves every time. It's crazy how we're playing dirty outdoor pickleball and we don't even play on the inside beautiful courts. We're ruining our balls, ruining our paddles. Well, here's the rip. We are ripping.
Oh my god, go look at the TikTok I sent you when you have time.
I'll go soon. Anyways, it's 11:40 already. Getting hot in my office.
All right, we're going up. Price is bullish in you.
Okay, that was a funny one, what you sent. I'll be honest, that one was good.
Yeah, I laughed too.
This one's good one. Ba-da-ba-da-da-da-na. Alright, well, we're filling in that 4-hour gap. What was it, on the 1 hour? Yeah, completely filled. Alright, chat, I'm going to call it an AM session. I'll be back for PM. Around 1:10 PM, I'll be back Eastern Time. 11:45, I don't see anything much we could get before 12. Thank you guys for joining. Like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and I'll see you guys in the PM.
In the PM.